Hello guys, this is me again with the bird who is fighting for his or her life, perhaps, but I'm not sure. Nowadays, why? I used to notice or witness, dying animals somewhere or everywhere, wherever I go. I often see. Last day I saw the rat poisoned by somebody. Today I saw a sparrow dying in my working area. So let's see how viewers are gonna react regarding her. Come on. Come on. Come on. Perhaps it is counting her last day on earth, or will he survive? I'm not sure. Anyway, it's good to have a record of dying thing in this world. See? Come on, baby. You go, okay? You go to your hometown, jungle, alright? That's your home where you belong, okay? You don't come back to a human premises or area. They're very brutal, They will mock you, they will kill you. So come on. Come on. Don't you want to go? Don't you want to go or what? See? He's not dying. Maybe he's just simply wounded, or he is a baby, maybe. Baby, right? Baby. Simply a baby. Hey, what's up? What's up, man? What's up? You're attacked by the, ants, because you are about to die. That's why everything is attacking you. Okay, you go. You go down. All right? You go down, or should I push you forward? Come on. Come on, you fly away, okay? You don't need to worry, okay? You simply go. Go. Yeah. He is now where he belongs. Perhaps he will survive. Let's pray for him too. I guess he can survive. That's it. Thank you for watching. I'm your friend, Kranti from my YouTube. Thanks.